Alam mo yung totoo, sa business hindi palaging produkto ang problema. Hindi marketing, hindi sales, kundi cash. Yan ang tunay na kalaban. Kasi kahit gaano kaganda ng business mo, kapag naubusan ka ng cash, tapos ang laban. And every business owner knows this feeling. Most people, akala nila nalulugi ang business dahil walang benta. Pero hindi. Nalulugi ang business dahil nauuna yung gastos bago dumating yung sales. Rent, bayad. Sahod, bayad. Suppliers, bayad. Pero customers mo, papunta pa lang. Kaya maraming negosyo, hindi naman pangit. Kinulang lang sa hangin. And cash is that oxygen. Kung marunong ka mag-manage ng cash mo, you buy yourself time, choices, and growth. Kaya yung mga business na umaabot ng 5, 10, 20 years, hindi sila yung pinakamalakas. Sila yung pinaka-disciplined sa cash flow. Kung business owner ka, tandaan mo to. Cash is not king. Cash flow is the king. This is Real Business. See you tomorrow.